Join us today as we're here at the 2023 Fall Show here in San Diego.
Hi, I'm Ignacio Della Torre. I'm president of the San Diego Bonsai Club, one of the largest clubs in the United States. This is our fall show. We have a spectacular display of all kinds of trees that have just been maintained by our members and look amazing at this time of the year. The show runs today Saturday from 10 to 5, tomorrow Sunday from 10 to 4. We have a sales area, demonstrations throughout the day, and demonstrations inside and outside as well. So if you not learned about bonsai or want to learn about bonsai, please come on down.
Well, welcome back everybody. We're in the San Diego show. We're here from Ignacio, the president here. So let me just do a quick walkthrough. I got here early before it opened, so here's a really good, I think this is a tanuki. I don't know, that's really good. Then we talked about, I think this is a tanuki. I think it's well done here. There's an elm tree. It's a nice accent. That looks like a nice California. No, that is a nice California. Check that out. Nice live in on the side. Deadwood that's been probably lime sulfur. Almost a little hanging. Here is a narrow leaf. Squirrelifloria. Multi-trunk. That's really nice too. This is what I like. Getting to the point where you get to these shohins. That looks like, I don't know what those, not crepe myrtles, but those are myrtles, I think. I don't remember. If someone knows that one, please tell me. That looks like San Jose. Really nice there on. Someone has a nice shohin display here, a 7-pointer. Those are really hard, trying to get all the trees in the right format here, especially the different array. So I might have to do a shohin one. Ask Peter to really talk about how shohins are put together. On the other side, there is that tree. We've seen that tree before. That's a tosho. Look at that old dead one on the tosho. It's really nice. Oh, that's a cool sculpture. Check that sculpture out. And it looks like a copper droplet, a hand holding it up. Really cool. That is a burnt divya. You know, I haven't seen a burnt divya in a couple years. I wonder how they do in like where I live, but that's beautiful. That's a kishu, looks like. It's a shimpaku of some sort. Really nice iris. You know, I can't get those things to bloom. More shohins right here. Another shohin right there. That was a chuchubai. Look at that one. I'm a sucker for quinces. If you guys know me very well, look at those flowers. That beautiful flower. Really nice during the season. They do flower all year. We go down this road. So they have 4 aisles. Here's a cork oak. Really nice, really naturalistic style. Really good size. There's a very fancy bottle here. I don't know. Well, that's nice. It's a fancy bottle, I was saying earlier. Oh, accent plant. I like that one. It's a modern accent plant. Really cool ribbon-like. Almost gunjin. A little far forward, but I think that's really awesome. Nice padding. Wow. This looks like a monozuma cypress. Just how it's set up. I don't know what it is. It looks like a California? I don't know. What is it? Oh, it's a cypress. Tecate cypress. Really cool with the gins all the way up the head. Or I mean the trunk line. Here's a really cool, really old femina. Needs a little more work on the top, but I think it's coming along really nice. We have a cascade. You got some mames all on this side. Let me check out some of these mames. Really nice stone right there. Really cool mames. Those are hard to keep up, especially in the summer heat. We walk around these gentlemen right here. You got some figs right here.
Yeah, I'd like to.
And then a nice pomegranate. Really good sized pomegranate, actually. Some more shohin. I think that's a crepe myrtle. I think that is a crepe myrtle. It is a crepe myrtle. Look at that with the flaky bark. Really nice on that one. Actually, that's impressive. Doors are about to open. Let me kind of rush through this really quick here. This looks like a Chinese elm. Really, it almost looks like. Doesn't that almost look like a ficus of some sort? It's an elm, but from far away it looks like a ficus. I paused for a couple seconds here. Here is a slab of a olive. That was probably like with the front side, like one of the buttresses. Let me turn it around, just kind of see the secrets behind it. Oops, it is. Check that out. So it is a front slab of an olive. Here is some suiseki, which are like stone displays. That's really cool. That almost like it's called ginger stone. It's a sandstone, but it has that ginger kind of skin-like. Not mica. There's a name for that one. It's made out of copper. Forgot what that name is. Someone knows? Tell me in the description. Here's an eel river stone with a display. Some really good suisekis. I'm partial to the stones because you can't kill them. Here's a really nice olive. Look at that olive. It has some reverse taper right there in that cut, but it blends in with that first branch and you can't really see it. Really nice compact top. I'm having a problem with mine. Mine's actually dying back. Of course, these are John Jackson trees. I just saw that display right there. It's a rain tree. I'm struggling to grow my rain tree. So you have a rain tree, you might need to talk to you. And it's really beautiful twin trunk pomegranate. So that's beautiful. Check that Nabari out. Check that Nabari out. It's really nice. Go on the other side really quick, just to give you a taste. Really cool shohin. I know it's not shohin. A little bigger than shohin. Chuhin size, but they are Percommon Nana. I need to ask the difference between the different junipers, like side by side. Here's a really cool forest. So if you're into tridents and forests, this is a really good scale. The leaves are really small. Check out the leaf size. They're really small compared to my hand. So really good scaling, especially on trees. We've seen this tree before. It is a California juniper. And you look at the ribbon-like, Rocky Mountain juniper, excuse me. You can check out that ribbon-like bark and items here. Really cool tree. Its twin trunk is actually really impressive. Nice color. Nice. Even the shape of the branches has really evoked the lines of that trunk, of that twin trunk. It's making an announcement about to open here. Here are some trees in the back area. This is a cork bark pine. And you can see just coming in. The bark edge is just coming in. It's relatively a younger tree. Younger tree, probably 15 to 20 years old already, but still a relative younger tree. Here is a ficus again. I thought this was like not stone pine, but a different type of pine, but it's a Japanese black pine. Just different. Not used to the type of barkage than the really plated. Really cool about this actually has pictures of its developmental stage throughout the years. So started in a pot in 2020. Development over the 2021 and 2023, it's on display. That's pretty cool. One of my favorite trees, I'm a sucker for Kishu. It's just the balance of the display here is really nice. The trees, evoke that movement, especially with the deadwood right down the middle here. Really nice paddage all the way around. And it's okay to show wire. I think that really shows the craftsmanship of movement, but it's done really well. Especially the wire is kind of aged in, so you don't really notice it as much. Beautiful tree. This is a bougainvillea. really in flower. You know, that's, you really don't see that. We did get some really cool weather. This is their Tokonoma, which is a take on, forgot what you call the flower display. Excuse me, if someone knows, put that in the description, please. It'll come to me probably after I'm done with the video, but the stone is absolutely beautiful. This is an Eoverber stone. Check out that movement, the coloration on that stone. That is, as Harry Harrell will put it, that is a masterpiece of a stone. And then we got some other trees over here. I always love these potteries. Whoever makes these, Horst Heinzerts, those pots, that pot's beautiful. Sucker for geometry pots, and that's really cool looking. I also love these type of shingle pots, or the ones are what they call in Japan those they recycle those shingles from those homes. And then we got a little more stuff here, so let me turn my camera around. I'll go to the sales area. Oh, actually, let's walk to the sales area really quick. So they do have a demonstration today and tomorrow at 11 and 1. So just to give you an idea, that's happening today and tomorrow. Here are the sales area. Again, this is before anybody's walked in, so snuck in kind of early today. Here are the sales area in this area. It's a lot of pots, some stands. Of course, we got some trees and stuff. Doors are about to open. All right, if you guys like the video, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later before this crowd walks in, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.